it doesn't mean na may Supreme Court decision that we cannot question that she has not answered the substance
How can you
of the
answer
impeachment
Attorney
complaints.
Francis? Tell me, how do you answer?
Well, she should
outside
answer,
of the formal...
she should answer sino si Mary Grace Beatos.
But that is national security.
Eh bakit niya sinabi si Zaldico pinaimbestigan niya?
Oh,
confidential fund.
Of course, that is
Ba't niya
national
sinabi
security
yun?
because you wanted to know what kind of corruption there is in
If
the
she can share that she used her confidential funds
No, that
for
is
Zaldico,
national security.
then
Read.
she should answer.
Read the joint memorandum.
Sino Mary Grace Beatos? Do you agree na shinare niya
Pero
si
may
Zaldico?
tanong lang ako.
Do you
Do
agree?
I agree with what?
Do you
Pwede
agree that
magtanong?
it was proper for VP Sara to disclose
todo na
that she
to.
used her confidential funds to investigate Zaldico?
Teka muna, hindi tayo
Oh,
nasa...
bakit hindi niya disclose si
Teka muna.
Mary
But you
Grace
cannot,
Beatos?
you cannot release all the information because it borders
the name
national
of
security.
this.
Oh, ma'am, ano yun?
Hindi, gusto ko lang malaman na bakit sino po ba ang gusto niyong president?
Ay,
Kanino po ba kayo kay PBBM or kay... Hindi, gusto ko kasi...
Ay,
hindi ko
iba
na-
kasi ang binoto kong presidente.
so
pero ang
wala sa
binoto kong
kanila.
vice president.
So parang fair ka lang for
Oo,
you.
oo, oo.
So parang in general.
At saka sa ligang
Hindi, kasi
batasan
gusto ko rin
susundan
maintindihan.
natin.